Sync audio. Okay, I was just doing my Killer Cow concert series later today, JoJo. But I came up with another idea really quickly. I want to form a non-secret society. Let me play it for you. It's called the Karma Boss Club. I'm sure this bad boy's probably connected to my Echo or something. That's why it's not playing. Hang on. A quick breakdown. I don't have our rings yet.
Really quick breakdown. Secret Society. Circles. Now the Illuminati. Exactly how they work. All circles. The very innermost circle. All the secrets and the plans of the society.
That's the Karma Boss. We're going to call it the Karma Boss Club.
That purpose of the secret society once they knew these people would be on board.
Look at the cool background effects. Woo-wee.
The Spider Club. Something like that. And I had a couple, I had a whole bag of these spider rings. Not real spiders, they're made out of plastic. But I organized my society, my spider society, with me and 2 or 3 other people is the inner circle. And the outer circle would have been the people that weren't quite as cool as us 3, but were still kind of okay. They were our outer rings.
I might even have planned this with the Corkster.
They had special little rings that I gave them.
No, he might have told me about it.
For the rest of the class,
Oddly enough.
I gave them the keep rings. And I told them they were also a part of the Spider Club. But, they had to kind of get the big picture before I could move them into the inner circles. And I was in 2nd grade when I came up with this theory, amazingly enough. And that's exactly how the Illuminati did it. The Illuminati themselves patterned, I believe it was the Jesuits.
Jesuits. Oh, that's a Catholic military order. Oh, you didn't know the Catholics had a military order? Yeah. Try and study the Crusades. Yeah, the Jesuits, secret society. But they're not secret. Yeah, kind of like mine.
Based upon the circle within the circle within the circle thing, done by the Jesuits for, I don't know, 2,000 years. I'm pretty sure the Jesuits got kicked out of pretty much every fucking country on the fucking planet.
Yep.
But I don't want to badmouth the Vatican or the Pope might excommunicate.
I'm not even Catholic.
So, that's what I'm thinking. Yeah. I'm going to form a non-secret society, and I'm going to let everyone in my society know exactly what the big picture is. But instead of giving everybody all the details of the big picture, I'll just kind of let them know what the big picture is, but not tell them everything. And then my next inner circle, I'm going to tell them a little bit more of the big picture, but I'm not going to tell them everything. And in my inner circle, we're gonna fucking post videos and coordinate actions with each other and let everyone else in our society know that's what we're doing. But until they pick up the pieces, we're not gonna let them out to the planning board. So that's a real quick idea of my spider secret society, but I don't like spiders. I'm gonna call it the Karma Club. Yeah, I'm going to form the secret Karma Club, which isn't a secret, and I'd be glad to tell anyone about my society that I'm now forming. And it won't be secret, and like I said, circles and circles and circles. All because of some strange thing I did when I was in 2nd grade that now seems to me to be almost ingenious. It's like I'm tapping into that, all that potential bumps of karma.
Phony. I'm going to call it, I'm going to try and figure out how to meditate. Maybe put myself into a trance state.
I'm ready to deal back. Oh, a little bit of pain train on the Karma Bus. And my wheels go round and round.
Round and round.
Round and round.
The wheels on the Karma Bus go round and round all day long. So, like, share, dare to subscribe, and you too can be a member of the Karma Boss Pain Train. I am the Painkiller. I've never been on a train ride, but my daddy took me on one, or look at some trains when I was a little kid. I forgot all about it until recently. Yeah. Poor Rochester General. Oh, poor Wham. Wham really dropped the ball on me a couple times. I think Wham hung up on me yesterday. Great Wham. Oh, I told you I was recording it. And I recorded Kimmy, telling Kimmy, hang on, I was Batman. I'm sure Kimmy will remember that. And hopefully they didn't plan out the whole break room thing this week, because I'd be more than happy to talk to them with a quick phone call. Give them some background, and maybe they'll think it's a cool story. And they got time to fill. If not, I'll start my podcast. Welcome to Bullet Time. 3-Point Q. And the great mind, Google, Apple, Paul McCartney's dead, blah, 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 Pain Train, Karma Bus, Speed Bumps.